Okay, ready? Let's try it again. Look at you. You're, well, I don't know if I call it standing. Come on, stand up. What a good boy. Those fat legs can do something. I didn't know you could flex fat though. Ready? You want to stand up again? Look at you. Oh, look at you sit down. I know it's easier. Just look at that. Look how fat you are. Ready? No. Whoa. Whoa, you're drunk. Mike, move. Get. Max. Good girl. Ooh. Oh, look at that. You're standing. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh. Good job. Let's go get you dressed.